guide, I'm going to show you guys how to request a refund on YouTube. Let's get started. The refund process is handled through your Google Payments account. So first step is to launch YouTube. Make sure you have already logged into your account with the correct Google account that made the purchase. Next, click on the profile icon. Now from here, navigate to the option Purchases and Memberships, where you will see a list of all your transactions including YouTube Premium, channel memberships and any paid content. Find the item you want a refund for and tap on it to open the details page. From there, look for the option that says request a refund or report a problem. You will then be redirected to the Google Payment Center, where you can select a reason for your refund request, such as accidental purchase or unauthorized charge. After submitting your request, Google will review it and typically refund within a few hours to few days depending on the type of purchase and eligibility. In some cases, refunds are approved instantly, while in others you may need to provide additional details. Once approved, the refund will be credited back to your original payment method, and that's it. You now know how to request a refund on YouTube. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.